Hi, I'm David Kirk with Epiphan Video. We're here at ISE 2020 in our booth, and we're showing off our Pearl-2 product in this video. I wanted to show off Pearl-2 has a large number of ports on the back, bring in everything from HDMI, SDI, USB video, IP video, so there's a whole range. And of course, we support now NDI on this product. So Nutec's NDI is a protocol that allows you to take IP video or AV video across an IP network and bring it into Pearl, so we can accept either NDI HX or the native NDI as inputs into the Pearl, so that you can use those to mix and switch and stream and record just like you would any physical input like an SDI or an HDMI. And we also generate NDI out, so Pearl-2 can also be an NDI source on your network. So any of the mixing and switching that you're doing in Pearl can then be accessed across the network so that you can bring it into other production systems as well. So we're also supporting Alpha Channel on our NDI, which allows people to use products like NewBlueFX or other graphics generating programs to be able to bring in things like lower thirds, animated graphics directly in over the network port, and be able to overlay those on their productions to create really dynamic titling, whether it's scoreboarding or lower thirds with titles. It's just a really easy way to dress up your production and make it look very professional without using extra ports on the back of the box. All that can be done over the network port using the Alpha channel on NDI. So if you want to know anything more about NDI and Pearl-2 and how all that works together, visit epiphan.com. And we've got lots of videos and other material there that will help you understand how all this stuff works together.